Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 6 side hustles that you can do as a student, and even if you're not a student, you can take advantage of these opportunities that I'm going to be sharing with you. The first on my list is, you can become a photographer. Yes, so you can do photography and videography. Starting a photography and videography business is another one. Yes, one of the enjoyable side jobs for college students that you can do in your extra time and bring in extra income. Yes, I know the startup cost can be costly, but if you know how to use your iPhone to create quality pictures and images and videos, guys, you can start with that. You're welcome. But guys, this is the sweet part. This is a profession that is in high demand today, and it can be turned into a full-time profession. But you may require training to upskill your talent, your editing skills and videography skills. But practicing is also the best way to learn. You have to practice a lot. Yes, a lot of times. You can make as much as $103,000 in a year. And here is how to get started. For you to get started, get basic equipment, start practicing, create a portfolio for yourself, and start marketing to your family and friends. Set up a social media account and offer your services. The next one on my list here is logo design. Yes, there are websites like Upwork and Freelancer offer lists of jobs for people to design logos for different businesses. Now, this type of job can be done part-time, remotely, and it has flexible hours. So if you have good design skills and you have access to platforms that can create designs that you can sell, guys, sell your designs or get jobs designing. It's a competitive, it can be a competitive side job, but by mastering your designs, guys, and create a signature style, you can earn good money through this. Now, this side job is also easy to expand, and through upskilling, you can offer more design services to businesses. You can make up to $104,000 in a year. Here is how to get started. The best way to get started is to build a portfolio to advertise your skills and then apply for jobs using this. You may also need to purchase apps, applications for designing like Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, Sketch, or CorelDRAW. You can also use TaskRabbit. Yes, using TaskRabbit to earn money has become very, very popular, more popular over the years. On this app, you earn money by completing everyday errands and tasks for people in your community. You can sign up on taskrabbit.com and select the tasks that you're willing to do, then get matched with people who are requesting that service and get paid after doing the job. You can set your own hourly rate, but you are given a minimum hourly rate that you can charge per task. This is a flexible opportunity that you can take advantage of. And here is how to start. Just go ahead and sign up on taskrabbit.com, decide on the services that you're interested in, and start working. Yes, another amazing business idea that you can do, freelance side hustle you can do, is to become a freelance article writer. Yes, so freelance content or article writing is an excellent side job for good writers. Like most freelance opportunities, you can apply to different job advertisements, seeking a freelancer or start a business and advertise your skills to various businesses and organizations. Now, the hours with this work are actually flexible, and you can take on jobs based on your availability. Now, this side job will only require some resources that you probably already have, like a laptop and internet access. You can make up to $269,000 in a year. And here is how to start. If you have the skills and experience, just start applying for part-time jobs and build a good rapport with the companies that you work with. Then use this experience as a selling point for your next clients and jobs that you apply for. Another one here on my list is to become a video and photo editor. Yes, video and photo editing is an excellent side gig for any person with the equipment and software. You have to learn how to edit videos and photos, yes, which can be difficult for a lot of people because it requires quite technical and artistic skills. But more and more people want their videos for special occasions, trips, and their social media, yes, and business promotions. They also want their photos edited, but they are not prepared to pay, yes, in the thousands for this. So your video and photo editing business can be geared towards people like this. You can make up to $133,000 in a year, and here is how to start. To start off, you would require a camera equipment, a computer, some software tools and skills. If you can learn one style of editing over time, your business will grow and provide more services. And you can also market your business to photographers and even videographers that may not have editing skills. Yes, another way to make money is E-learning courses. Yes, if you have a cool skill or knowledge in a topic that you'd like to teach other people, try create an e-learning course to help you earn an extra income. Now, to start, you can build a course, yes, to help someone gain skills that you have, like a course in music, photography, cooking, writing, marketing, or researching, among others. However, keep in mind that this is one of the side hustles for college students. Yes. So here is how to start. So let's assume that you have a skill that you like to instruct others in. You can start by signing up as an instructor on an app like Skillshare or Udemy. These apps help you build your e-learning courses for free. And if you would like to work more independently, email marketing is your best option. So start by marketing your business to over social media, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Then prompt people to sign up with their email on your website for a free online course, which is a shortened version of your e-learning course. Then encourage them to purchase your e-learning course, yes, to learn more. As a matter of fact, I am also a YouTube coach. I help small to medium-sized businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and begin to monetize it from day one. I have my courses. So one thing you can do is you can sell your courses. If you don't have a platform, where you have a website that tells exactly what the itemizes, what to expect in your course, you can actually create a link from PayPal, create a PayPal account, use PayPal to accept payments from people. You just put the exact amount that you want to receive from people, put it there. Once you send the link to people, all you need to do is convince people. You have to meet people, maybe virtually, tell them of the services that you offer, give them evidence of that you can actually deliver on your words, on your promises, on whatever it is that you want to teach them. If you are able to prove to them that this is your you're the right fit, you're the best person to help them out with this job, just send them the link, the PayPal link, requesting payment. And once you do that, have your terms and conditions that you have to sign, letting them know that this amount is not refundable, and just put all your terms and conditions together and then send it to your clients. And before you know it, you get clients. So yes, that is an amazing way to actually start building your own portfolio. When you get a first client, make sure that you collect reviews, make sure that you send them links to your reviews. And if your business is not yet on Google My Business, guys, go ahead and register on Google My Business. What it does for you is that it puts you on the map. When people are commuting towards your own area, it puts the name of your business up there. I'll give you an example. If you're driving to maybe Walmart or Target, you're gonna see a couple of businesses. Okay, this is a liquor store. This is this is JCPenney. So it's also gonna put your business on the map. When people are commuting, your business is gonna be on the map. And I hope you understand exactly what I've explained to you guys. Yeah, so go on Google My Profile, and from your Google My Business profile, you can also get a review, link. Make sure that once you service one client, send them the link, to fill in, your testimonial, your first review. If they were able to get value from whatever you promised them, if you were able to transform their lives or their businesses with your services, they would always request for review. If you see, they say a closed mouth is a closed destiny. If you don't ask, you will not receive. Yes, so ask and it shall be given. Matthew 7:7. So make sure that you always ask for reviews, from first time clients or even repeat clients, and always ask for referrals. A way to also ask for referrals and put yourself at top of minds of people is by sending them periodic messages, emails. Don't just let them go. Check on them. If it's the beginning of a new month, you'd say, hi, good morning, I just want to wish you a fantastic. Just put yourself on the minds of all of your clients every month and watch how things will change for you. That is another fantastic way to actually advertise without advertising. So when you send them messages, they're like, oh, who is this? You put, if they want to offer me, they need your services and they're not even thinking of you. In that instance, when they get your message, you come to the top of mind, and they can also refer their friends and families to you. And I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can start your own side hustle and start to make good money from the comfort of your home. And that is it for today, guys. Making money, like I said, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. If you have not introduced yourselves yet, well, thank you for watching all the way till the very end. If you haven't introduced yourselves yet, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I see you guys and I appreciate you deeply from the depth of my heart. God bless you. And yes, if you'd like to see any kind of video, any topic, if you need me to do a research tailored to your specifications, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to do all the researches for you. And just in case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I am so proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.